Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Teague with Fred Anderson Toyota in Raleigh. I'm going to show you how we can accessorize a Toyota RAV4 or RAV4 hybrid to give you that hitch you've always wanted. Our accessories department is fully equipped to add mud guards, body side moldings, all-weather trunk mats and carpet mats, step boards, running boards, all those type of things, and tow hitches. Take example right here with this 2020 RAV4 XSE hybrid. This particular RAV4, we've added the tow hitch and the wiring harness, so now you can safely haul and transport your bike racks, your campers, your small boats, trailers, things like that. And here's a closer look. So there you can see what we've done. It's perfect. At Fred Anderson Toyota, we specialize in both new and pre-owned cars. We have a gigantic inventory of hundreds of cars, trucks, and SUVs. You can view our entire inventory at fredandersontoyota.com. You can also email us directly at contact@fredandersontoyota.com to add any accessory to a Toyota you already own or one you're looking to do. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our Fred Anderson Toyota YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. We'll see you next time.